Hello guys, this year I've been experimenting a lot with Python and machine learning and AI. And today I want to show you a Laravel project that consumes API that we created with Python as a chatbot. This is one example of how you can publish your chatbot and consume it from wherever you want, like for example Laravel project. So for this project I will shoot two separate videos. One for this channel about Laravel and Livewire, so this that you can see on the screen, and then separately on my another YouTube channel, Python ML Daily, I will shoot a video explaining the Python part and how to publish that as API. And the link to that channel will be in the description below. So we have a chatbot which is somewhere in the cloud, and here in Laravel project, which is based on Laravel Breeze, but then this page is a Livewire component, we can ask that chatbot something. So this is, for example, existing chat from our history. Do you have a team plan? And this chatbot is answering questions from our FAQ on Laravel Daily. So we can start a new chat and then ask, for example, what is monthly price? And here's what our chatbot responded with after a few seconds. And it also remembers the history so we can continue conversation. Like, is there a team monthly plan? We send again, and after a few seconds it should respond, is there a plan for team for month? And yes, for teams we have only yearly plans. So how does that look in the code? And this is the Livewire component in Laravel project. The route is just route view chat, so there's no controller. There's a blade to chat display, and inside of that blade we'll load Livewire component. In this video, by the way, I'm using Sublime Text instead of typical PHP Storm, just for a quicker turnaround, because my PHP Storm becomes slower when there's also PyCharm Python is loading API in the background. So anyway, we load Livewire component here, and the whole logic of the chat is here. If we do have the chat from history, we'll load that, and load chat is actually just showing the messages. So there's chat model in the database with chat messages. So if we refresh in the database, these are our chats and these are the messages from the history. So you can continue previous conversation. So we'll load that from the database, and then in the render function, we show that in the blade. So we have chats and also the current chat. Then this is how blade looks like. Livewire blade start a new chat calls the function of start new chat, which actually just clears up the messages, and that's it. And then the main logic is happening in the form wire submit send message. That send message creates a chat and messages in the local database first, and then fires the API request to the Python server locally in our case, providing the query and the history. The history is needed for OpenAI API to provide a better answer, potentially. And then we parse that answer as it gets back from request and save that answer to the database as well. Refresh the messages, which are automatically refreshed here in the blade, in the for else loop here. So nothing really fancy, and of course it could be improved with try catches everywhere and loading indicators and maybe some UX improvements. But I wanted just to quickly show you this code example of how you can build your own chatbot, which may be in Python or it may be in Laravel also, because both would actually call the OpenAI API to provide the answer. And then you can consume that chatbot as API from your Laravel page or Livewire component in this case. What do you think about this example? What would you maybe have done differently, or do you have any questions? Shoot in the comments below. And if you are new to Livewire and don't fully understand how it works, I have a separate course, Livewire 3 from scratch, on my Laravel Daily.com, which was actually recently upgraded a bit because a few people complained in the comments that it's not clear enough, so I personally reread that a week ago and rewrote the first few lessons for more clarity, so I do recommend that course now. I will link that in the description below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.